Today we'll discuss miscellaneous exercise of chapter number 6. First, you see this question, solve the inequality. First one is 2 less than equal to 3x minus 4 less than equal to 5. So इसमें क्या important है, you have to see. जो भी आपने पहले लीनियर इनइक्वालिटीज़ को सॉल्व किया उसमें एक ही साइड थी, या तो 3x माइनस 4 लेस देन इक्वल टू 5 था, या फिर 3x माइनस 4 ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 2 था. बट दिस टाइम हमको एक इनइक्वालिटी मिली है जिसमें दोनों है, लेस देन भी है साइन, लेस देन इक्वल टू और ग्रेटर देन भी इक्वल टू है. सो इसकी जो अप्रोच होगी सॉल्व करने की, इट्स सिमिलर टू द प्रीवियस वन, बट वी कैन डू इन टू वेज. फर्स्ट वे, you can take this one first, you can solve for x, or you can take this first and you can solve for x, or we can go at in one also, in one way also, that we can solve both the sides in one go only. You see just how we solve this. So see this now, we can add 4 both side. So this will be 2 plus 4 less than or equal to, this is 3x minus 4 plus 4, and this is less than or equal to 5 plus 4. So this is 6 and this is going to be 3x less than or equals to 9. Now we can divide both side by 3. So let's see what comes. 3 divided by 3, 3x divided by 3, 9 divided by 3. So this way you are going to get x greater than equals to 2 and this is less than equals to 3. So this is your final answer. Similarly, you see this question number 6. Now I want to remove this 2, so I multiply both side by 2. So if I multiply both side by 2, multiply both sides by 2, so this will become 7 into 2, 14. This is 3x plus 11 upon 2 into 2, and you put the bracket, this is 11 into 2. So this is going to be 14, this is 3x, and this is 3x plus 11, and this is going to be 22. Now we subtract 11 both side, subtract 11 both side. These steps are not mandatory to write always. You can skip this thing, but you have to keep in mind the rules of inequality. So 14 minus 11, if I do 14 minus 11, this is 3x plus 11 minus 11, this is 22 minus 11. So this is 3, this is 3x, and this is gonna be, this is 22 and 10, if you subtract, this is 12, then this is 11. So now you divide both side by 3. So this is going to be 1, this is going to be x, and this is going to be 11 by 3. So this is our final answer. Okay, now we'll discuss this problem, question number 12. A solution of 8% boric acid is to be diluted. See, this is, let's say, one solution in which we get 8% boric acid. So I have written this boric acid as Ba, and there is another diluted by adding a 2% boric acid solution. There is another solution in which we have boric acid 2%. Now next line is the resulting mixture, means you are going to add them. The resulting mixture will be 6. We continue this line. The resulting mixture is to be more than 4% but less than 6% boric acid. If we have 640 liters of 8%, means the quantity of this solution is 640 liters. And how many liters of 2%, means there is some quantity but we don't know, so we have to find that quantity. So we assume that quantity in which 2% boric acid is there is x liter. So solution will have to be added. So what is the condition given? That boric acid, the completed boric acid should be 4%, greater than 4% and less than 6% of the resulting mixture. So we can convert that in simplest form, like first you see the boric acid, how much the boric acid we have. This is 640 liter, and this 8% of this is our boric acid, plus 2% means 2, you can write directly 200 into x. This is the boric acid, and this boric acid should be greater than or equal to, this is let we read this, more than, it's not equal to, so this is greater 6, the boric acid 4% of the resulting mixture. Since 4% means this is 4%, and resulting mixture, if you resulting mixture quantity will be mixture will be 640 plus x liter. So this is the resulting mixture, so this is 640 plus x. So your this boric acid should be greater than 4% of the resulting mixture and less than 6% of the resulting mixture. So this is the important linear inequality that you have got, and now you have to find the value of x. Now this is up to you how you simplify. So I can simplify this very easily. I can 0 this, after taking LCM, this 0 will be cancelled. So this is 4 into 640 plus 4x, and this is 640 into 8, this is 2x, and this is 6 into 640 plus 6x. So now this is difficult if you take all these two inequalities together, so we have to take them one by one. So I'm taking this case first, that 4 into 640 plus 4x is less than 640 into 8 plus 2x. So this is our first one. So we simplify this. This is up to us how we simplify. So this 4x, I'm bringing this 2x this side, and this 640 into 8 minus 4 into 640 this side I'm taking. So this is 2x, and this is 640 you take common, or 4 into 640 you may take common. So this is gonna be 4 means this is 2 minus 1. So now you can simplify this. So x is going to be 640 into 2, 1280. So your first condition has come, that your quantity should be less than 1280. So this is your first one. Now the second part is 640 into 8 plus 2x less than 6 into 640 plus 6x. So now this time we can take this side. So this is going to be 4x and 6 into this. So 640, 6, 8 minus 6 if you do, it is now 2. So you can simplify this, 2 ja and 2, this is 320. So x is greater than 320. So your second condition has come. So therefore the quantity should be greater than 320 liters and less than 1280 liters. Now take this question number 13. How many liter of water will have to be added to 1125 liter of 45 solution of acid? So there is a solution 1125 liter in which the acid is 45%. Now you know we have to add it. इसमें कुछ ना कुछ ऐड करना है हमें, और क्या ऐड करना है कि हाउ मेनी लीटर ऑफ वाटर. तो हम मान लेते हैं कि इसमें हमने ऐड कर दिया x लीटर ऑफ वाटर, हमने इसमें ऐड किया, जिसमें कि जो एसिड है वो कुछ भी नहीं है, उसमें 0% एसिड है, 0% एसिड, क्योंकि वो प्योर वाटर है. उसके बाद वो कह रहे हैं कि जो रिजल्टिंग मिक्सचर है, आपको पता है कि जो रिजल्टिंग मिक्सचर होगा, रिजल्टिंग मिक्सचर वो होगा 1125 प्लस एक्स लीटर. अब ये जो रिजल्टिंग मिक्सचर है विल कंटेन मोर देन 25% एंड लेस देन 30% ऑफ एसिड कंटेंट. सो इसका पहले तो 25% हम देखते हैं. 25% मतलब 25/100, 1125 प्लस एक्स. सी दिस इज़ क्वाइट ऑब्वियस कि ये जो आपका टोटल एसिड आएगा, टोटल एसिड का मतलब जो 45% एसिड है, 45 मीन्स 45/100, दिस इज़ 1125 ये, और उस वाले में तो आपका एसिड सोल्यूशन है ही नहीं है, तो उसको हम 0% भी बोल सकते हैं एंड इनटू x भी बोल सकते हैं. सो दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट कंडीशन. और ऑब्वियस सी बात है कि देखिए, जब आप इस क्वांटिटी में जो एसिड होगा वो ये वाली एसिड जो क्वांटिटी है इससे एसिड से कम ही होगा, क्योंकि ये 45% है, ये इसमें एसिड ज़्यादा है. इसमें दोनों को मिला देंगे तो भी एसिड आपका ज़्यादा नहीं होगा. अब इसको ज़रा सॉल्व करते हैं. तो इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए पहली कंडीशन के हिसाब से हमने जो लगाया है, हमने पहले कंडीशन लिया है 25% से मोर वाला. तो ये जो एसिड है हमारा 25% इससे ज़्यादा है. इसको हम थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं. दिस कैंसल्ड एंड आप इसको थोड़ा आगे सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं. 1125 इंटू 25 प्लस 25 एक्स, और इसमें करते हैं 45 45 इंटू 1125. सो 25x जो आएगा वो आपका, इसको माइनस करते हैं. दिस इज़ 45 25, सो दिस इज़ 1125 इंटू 20. सो x जो आएगा आपके पास 1125 इंटू 20 एंड अपॉन 25 करेंगे, सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं तो दिस इज़ कमिंग एज 900. So your liter, the liter that you wanted to add should be less than 900. Now read the second condition. Second condition means 45%, this time this say 30%. So 30%, this 30 upon 100 of the mixture, means mixture is, I'm just simplifying this again, 30 upon 100, this is 1125 plus x. This now should be more than your boric acid, means not boric acid, acid only. This is 45%. So this is 45 upon 100 and this 1125. So now we can simplify this. Again you can write that 0 into x upon 100, so that will not make any difference. So 100 you cancelled. So now here you can simplify. This is x greater than, this is 1125 and 45 minus this is 15, and if you divide it by 30, so that you are now getting. You can simplify this at your own level. This is 2 1 ja, this is 2 ja. So 2 से simplify करेंगे तो x greater than, this is 2 5 ja 10, 1 2 6, 2 2 ja 4, and this is 5. So x has to be greater than 562.5. So now finally we can write कि जो लीटर है that should be greater than 562.5 and less than, this is 900. We can combine this information and this information together. So this is your answer. ओके सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. IQ मतलब इंटेलिजेंस, जो आपको पता है इंटेलिजेंस को मेज़र करने का जो IQ हम बोलते हैं. दिस इज़ द फॉर्मूला गिवन कि IQ जो होगा वो m डॉट मतलब m मेंटल एज अपॉन क्रॉनिकल एज इंटू 100 होगा. सो वेयर MA इज़ द मेंटल एज एंड CA इज़ द क्रॉनिकल एज. मेंटल एज का मतलब जिस बच्चा जो जिस लेवल पर क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सकता है, एंड क्रॉनिकल एज मतलब जो उसकी फिजिकल एज है. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर 12 इयर्स का एक बच्चा है जो कि क्वेश्चन मतलब 15 साल के जो बच्चे के बराबर के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सकता है, तो उसकी जो मेंटल एज है वो 15 हो गई, और जो क्रॉनिकल एज जो मतलब उसकी फिजिकल एज अभी है वो 12 हो गई. तो आप इससे परसेंटेज निकाल के आप इसका IQ निकाल सकते हैं. तो IQ अगर वो 100 से ज़्यादा आता है तो आप मानते हैं कि वो अच्छा है, 100 से कम आता है तो IQ वो उसको हम थोड़ा सा मानते हैं कि वो IQ मतलब IQ लेवल कम है तो वो इंटेलिजेंट कम है. बट दिस इज़ ऑल फैलेसी. ये सब बहुत वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज़ में होता था कि इस फॉर्मूले से लोगों की इंटेलिजेंस को चेक करते थे. इवन नाउ नोबडी इज़ यूजिंग दिस एनी मोर. But in India, some of the at some places I've seen this, they are using IQ using this formula. So let's start now. It's given to you that if IQ is 80 to 140 for a group of 12 years old children, find the range of their mental age. So IQ, you will start from here only. 80, this is IQ, this is IQ, and this is 140. So we'll substitute the values which have. This is IQ, the formula is MA upon CA into 100, and this is 140. And mental age they are asking from us, and 12 years its chronical age is given. So this is 80 less than equals to MA upon, this is 12 into 100 and this is 140. So we can divide both side by divide, or you can say multiply also. So in one shot we can write multiply both side by 12 upon 100. So if I do this way, I can get the answer very easily. This is 12 upon, this is 100, this is MA upon 12 into 100, and we are multiplying by 12 upon 100. This is 140, 12 upon 100. So 12 cancel, this is 100 cancel, and here this 0 you can cancel, here this 0 get cancelled. So this is 8 into 1.2, 10 you can divide. This is mental age, and this is 1.4 into 12. Now we can simplify this. This is 8 to just 16, 6 carry 1, 8 1 ja 1, and this is 9.6. This is mental age, and here we can also multiply this 12, and this we can multiply now. So this is coming 16.8. So this is the answer of your question. Thank you. Please share, like, and subscribe this video. Thank you.